Thunderbolt 4 docking station for Thunderbolt 4 Windows laptops and Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4 MacBooks, macOS 11 or later. Also works great with non-Thunderbolt USB-C laptops. If you have a Thunderbolt 3 Windows laptop, this is not the dock for you. See part K34009 US. Supports dual monitor 4K Ultra HD, 4K 60 Hz, or single monitor 8K 30 Hz for Thunderbolt laptops. Note: any Macs with the original M1 or new M2 CPU will only display to a single monitor due to Apple's chipset limitations, but Macs with M1 Pro and M1 Max CPUs will work with dual displays. For USB-C laptops, HBR3 laptops will receive dual 4K at 30 Hz or single 4K at 60 Hz. HBR2 laptops will receive dual 1080p at 60 Hz or single 4K at 30Hz. Connect your laptop to the Thunderbolt 4 port. 8-meter Intel certified TB4 cable included. Connect your displays using one or two of the Thunderbolt 4 ports. USB-C to HDMI or USB-C to DisplayPort adapter or cable not included. Unused Thunderbolt ports can connect directly to Thunderbolt devices. Up to 5 additional via daisy chain. Max 2 per port. While providing transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. 180-watt power supply delivers 90 W power to charge your laptop. Delivers additional power to run peripherals like hard drives, and for charging phones and tablets including Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4.0, USB 3 and USB 2 peripherals. Static charging technology provides 15 W to each of the downstream Thunderbolt 4 ports without taking power from the laptop. Laptop still receives full 90 W of power even when all other ports are utilized. Other Thunderbolt 4 docks will divert power away from the laptop. 3 Thunderbolt 4 downstream ports, all capable of data, video and audio and 15 W power each. SD card reader. US2 South Dakota 4.0. 4 USB-A ports, 1 5 volts, 1 5A charging port and 3 Gen 2 at 10 gigabits per second ports, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, 1 audio combo jack, on/off switch VESA mounting holes. See Kensington mounting bracket. Part K34050WW, Kensington lock slot. For a lock, see part K65035AM or K60600WW. DockWorks Wi-Fi auto switch guarantees the fastest, most reliable internet connection, while MAC address ID pass-through and reset, and device connection monitoring give IT managers maximum network monitoring and visibility. Intel VTDDMA protection blocks peripheral devices from unauthorized access to system memory. 3-year warranty and lifetime Kensington technical support. Top reviews from the United States. Good functionality, reliable, good technical support. I've been using this dock for about 6 months now. I use it with my HP Spectre X360 11th Gen, running Windows 11. I purchased this mainly for work use, which involves use of an electronic medical record system, editing documents and spreadsheets, web browsing, light photo and video editing. I have a large 4K monitor that I use in PBP mode, 1920 by 2160 at 60 Hz by 2 virtual displays, a DAC amp, and a couple other input devices. I did run into some issues with the displays not being recognized properly. However, I was able to get technical support on the phone very easily. They sent me a new driver and it fixed the problem. Otherwise I've had no issues. The case seems durable. I would have preferred to have all the ports on the back of the device, but I won't deduct points there, since everyone will have their own preferences with respect to this.